Alrighty guys, it's time to unbox this beautiful Making Magic Manifesting Your Dreams deck by Priestess Moon. Thank you once again to the Witch's Moon for sending me this beauty in the Witch's Roots box this month. Be sure to check them out in the comment section down below guys, but without further ado, let's unbox this baby. Little ASMR for you. Got a little fork. And let's open this up. I feel like that's a dingle hopper from Ariel. Let's open this baby up. Get all this plastic off. Ooh, the box is really nice, guys. It's a matte black too. So this box is really nice. What the deck is in, guys, it's like matte black. It's soft. It's got that matte finish. And it looks like it's got a little magnetic opening. That's so cool. So it looks like how you use the cards. Use these cards to boost your spell work or carry a chosen card to achieve your goal. Lay out the cards, light a candle in front of you, and focus on your desired outcome for excellent results. This is a really cool deck, guys. I feel like this is beyond just being like a tarot card or an oracle deck. It's actually like magic involved, and you can actually carry the cards and do stuff. And it's just so much magic in this. I feel like these are so different and unique. This is what the back of the card box looks like too, guys. It's very nice. I'm gonna put that down right there. And let's see what these cards look like. So the first card is Wishes Coming True, Rapid Achievement of Your Dreams and Wishes. Very beautiful, guys. This is the Tree of Life card, True Wisdom and Making Good Choices in Life. This one's Happy Love, guys, a joyful, stable partnership and good friends. Very beautiful sigil on there. I like that one a lot, guys. It reminds me of like J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter. Ooh, we got the Visitor Viking symbol, guys. Strong protection magic for family and the home. These are like little spell cards that you can just take with you. I just love them. And we got a Prosperity, a prosperous business with riches and success. That sigil's so magical. I love it. This one is Healing, true healing of the mind, body, and soul. Very beautiful. And this one is Self-confidence, strong self-belief, and a sense of worth. So this one is Breaking Bad Habits, self-acceptance, excellent mental health, and letting go of vices. This one is Successful Career, a happy working environment, pay raises, and promotions. We can all use this baby. We got ourselves a love charm, attract a lover, soulmate, or life partner. IG on there. Go find each other on Instagram. Looks like we have the Mystic Star card for the next one, Harmony in the Home, and Great Friendships. Looks like we have Power Symbol, Cleanse, Purify, and Protect the Physical Body. We have Element of Air vibes with a triple spiral, listening to divine wisdom and joyfully learning life's lessons for this card. One of my favorites, guys, we got the Triple Moon, embracing all aspects of yourself, the divine and the earthly. Love this card. Gonna be carrying this with me all the time. We got the Labyrinth, transition to a higher level of being, raising your energetic vibration, enlightenment. We have Awen, 3 rays of light, balancing male and female energies, peace and harmony. Another one of my favorites, it looks like, guys. We got Fairy Magic, respectfully work with the fairies and elementals to achieve your goals. Oh yeah, right after the Fairy Magic, we got all the elemental cards. So we got the Element of Earth. Ask the Element of Earth for grounding, stability, and strength in times of chaos. For the Element of Air, work with the Element of Air to cut through to the core of a situation and see the truth. We have the Element of Fire, hurdles, new life, renewal, passion, and positive transformation. Element of Water, guys, we got working with the Element of Water for healing, purification, and reinforcement. Element of Spirit, heavenly assistance from your angels and guides. The elements of Fire, Air, Earth, and Water combine to create powerful protective boundaries, spiritual, mental, physical, and emotional. Don't forget about the Element of Spirit tarot deck, but they do have it in there, this little oracle deck, I mean. So we got the Sun, guys. The golden energy of the Sun brings fame and fortune. Now we got the Star card, the beautiful card I got from this month's Witch's Moon box. The silver energy of the star brings good luck and serendipity. Beautiful, divine, sacred geometry in this beauty. Ooh, we got the Philosopher's Stone, very Harry Potter-esque. Powerful manifestation of wishes and goals by harnessing universal energy. Love that one. This one looks funny, guys. Abracadabra with wings, fantastic good fortune and lucky chances. It's like Egyptian meets little angel vibe, meets funniness. It's just really funny looking card. We got Goddess, healing feminine energy. Safe and happy travel, protection from harm when journeying. Would be really good to take this card with you guys when you're traveling and commuting from home to work. It would be a beautiful card for protection to bring with you. We got Trinka 5. I like this card too because one of my angels comes to me in the synchronicity number. Manifesting money and income. What another beautiful bonus to this card. We got the Festival, creates an energetic blueprint for a fantastic party or event. We got Little Luxuries, generates luxurious experiences and surroundings. We got One Enchanted Evening, the perfect night. This one's beautiful, guys. It's giving me like Vampire House of Night vibes with that little saying on there. Love that one. We got Achievement, win the award, accord, or a contract. We also have On Target, follow your ideal life path. That one's a beautiful card. What so many of you guys need to see, Time to Shine, creates the energetic resonance for golden opportunities. That one is a very beautiful one too. We have Perseverance, the motivation to keep going despite the odds. We have Insight, open the third eye to strengthen intuition. This would be very good to pair with that tech dite that I got from this month's box, guys, of the Bounty subscription. So work with your higher vibrating crystals with this card to help open that third eye and connect to your guides, ascended masters, and all the beautiful aspects of God. We have Felix, Felicitas, power symbol to create luck, serendipitous events. It looks like the last card, guys, we have is Dragonfly, you bring light to this world. What a beautiful deck, guys. This is a really beautiful deck, guys. I love so many of the cards in here. They are amazing. So this is what this side of like all the cards look if you guys are doing a little reading for someone, doing some magic for yourself. You can shuffle them. And I feel like these would be a perfect one to use in those readings when you want to shuffle like this, because they're so tiny and cute that you guys can totally shuffle this way. Would be perfect to do this version of shuffling. This is the cute Making Magic, Manifesting Your Dreams Priestess Moon deck, guys. I really like it a lot. I think it's so cute and all the little embellishments on it, all the cute detailing. This 40 card mini deck features a combination of medieval amulets, Celtic charms, ecumenical glyphs, and sigils, along with an explanation of how each symbol can help manifest your desires. And this was that how to use the cards part, guys. It's just a cute little deck. I give this a 4.5 stars, guys. I love this so much and would not mind making my own version of this kind of vibe one day too, with my own kind of past life vibes with my magic. But this is good broad perspective of all these beautiful magical symbols. So this was a little unboxing of this deck. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. Also check out the Witch's Moon for their amazing subscription services and their moon market. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated, so mote it be.